So, let's do taraka now. Taraka, taraka, taraku, tarakat, tarakata, tarakna, tarakta, taraktuma, taraktum, tarakti, taraktuma, taraktunna, taraktu, tarakna. Whether after hunna, as I said, it's very easy. All you are adding to the fi'al, which is tarak, with lam kalima sukun. Remember? Tarak. What are you adding, Brother Farooq? Ta, tuma, tum, ti, tuma, tunna, tuna. Are you with me? Those are the files you are adding. And every time you say tu means I, every time say na means we, every time say you ta means you, ti means you feminine. Are you with me? It's very easy. But if you won't write, it will not stay in your mind. Brother, we gave you 25 sheets. I have got 100 sheets for everyone in the store. Because this is the way you will become strong. Brother, I took it on myself to do conjugation without anyone asking me. And I realized that by doing it, I was getting stronger and I was understanding it well. So writing is very crucial to your understanding. Those who are extremely busy, I do not blame them for not writing, and they should not blame themselves for not writing, because you have a lot of chores. Your children, your housework, your husband, your family, a lot of responsibilities we have in this country. So some of you with small children, you are extremely busy. But then those who have no children or grown-up children who are young, we should utilize every minute of our time in studying Arabic. If you really want to master in 7 months, the ball is in your court. Whatever you want to do, sit down, go in front of the television and say to the television, I am very stupid. You can rob me of my time, I don't mind. And the television will oblige you and will rob you of your precious time. Or we quit everything that is not important and concentrate on our homework, inshallah. You will try and do it. Now that I did so much, I will write one more word. Okay, brother? Okay, I wrote one more word. Shariba. He drank. He drank. Always past tense. He drank. Ready? Shariba, shariba, sharibu, sharibat, sharibata, sharibna, sharibta, sharibtuma, sharibtum, sharibti, sharibtuma, sharibtunna, sharibtu, sharibna. Okay? Ana sharibtu. Ana sharibtu. Nahnu sharibna. Anta sharibta. Anti sharibti. Hum sharibu. Huwa shariba. Hiya sharibat. Antum sharibtum. Antunna sharibtunna. Hunna sharibna. Huwa shariba. Ana tu. But inshallah it will sit in our mind. Little practice, okay? See, that is why I insist that you should not miss a class. You should come so that you can practice, inshallah. Brother, if you think you can learn Arabic very quickly, then that notion is incorrect. You will require a lot of hard work and dedication. And then, inshallah, Allah will bless you with the knowledge. Inshallah. Okay, now, brothers and sisters, we come to a new thing in our book, Adarsu Thalitha Ashara. Adarsu Thalitha Ashara. Lesson number 13. What are we learning in this lesson? is the introduction of Jama. Till lesson 12, Dr. Abdur Rahim did not introduce Jama. See, that is his vision. This is his farsightedness. Everything at a time. One step at a time. Now he will introduce us to Jama for the first time in this book. So we try to understand. But Jama means plural. In English, if I say pen, it will become pens. If I say book, it will become book. But it is not so in Arabic. I cannot say kalam, kalams. I cannot say kalams. No, they have a different thing, and it's more beautiful, more eloquent. Okay. Now, if I say to you waladun, okay, and if I say to you kitabun, and if I say to you rasulun, brothers and sisters, these are singular noun. What are they, brothers and sisters? Singular noun. When you make a plural out of it, it can either go to sound plural or it can go to broken plural. Okay, I will write down here also. Now, when you see here, we have wa, la, and dun. Sahi? So in other words, it is walada. Now I change into plural and I say aw, la, dun. The three letters of walada underwent a change. I brought Hamzatul Qata in the beginning. Here it was Fatah. I gave it a Sukun. Here was a La. I added Alif. So the original three letter underwent some changes. Okay? Because they underwent some changes, we broke them. We broke the three original letters and created a plural. But we broke it. So in that case, we will call awladu broken plural. Why? Because the first three letters are changed. Something was added. And in some cases, something can be deleted. For example, brother, I say kitabun. What is the plural? Kutubun. Do you see any changes? Yes. Ki became ku. Ta became tu. Where did alif go? No, I should not write kitabun, brother. I beg your pardon. Yeah, kitabun is sahi. Kitabun is sahi. So I beg your pardon. Okay. So, brothers and sisters, kitabun became kutubun. So, ki became ku. And then ta became tu. What happened to alif? You dropped it. And then, of course, ba is born fine. But then, it is not in the same way as it was in the singular. It underwent change, and also you dropped a letter, alif. What will you call this? Broken plural. Now see, Rasulun. And we know, because we are familiar with the Qur'an, what is the plural of Rasulun? Rusulun. Rasulun became